Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're going to table for the annual budgets of different programs in Kansas from 2007 to 2010. We're asked, of these four programs, which of their ratios of their 2007 to 2010 budget is closest to the ratio from 2007 to 2010 of human resources. So the first thing we have to do is find out what is the ratio for human resources. And in doing this, we have to make a decision. Are we going to do 2010 divided by 2007 or 2007 divided by 2010? It doesn't matter which one you do, you just have to stay consistent throughout. So we're going to do 2010 divided by 2007 because generally the 2010 is larger, so I guess that makes sense to me. So for human resources, that number is going to be tracking the human resources row to 2010. We get 5921379, that value right there, divided by, it's 2007, going back here, over here, 405150, and when you divide these out, you're going to get roughly 1.46. So this is what we're looking to get as close as possible to, and now we have A, B, C, and D, and we're going to see which of these is the closest. So agricultural and natural resources, now we're looking at this row. 2010 is 488106. Going back to 2007, we have 373904. When we divide these out, we're going to get roughly 1.31. For B, education, now we're in this row. For 2010, we have 3008036. 2007, we have 2164607. Dividing these out, we get roughly 1.39. For C, highways and transportation, down to this row. 2010 is 1773893. Divided by 2007 for highways and transportation is 1468482. And this is roughly 1.21. Finally, public safety, bottom row right here, we have 464233 over 263463, and this is going to come out to roughly 1.76. Now, in comparing which of these is the closest, we find the difference between them. So the difference between HR and agriculture and natural resources is 1.46 minus 1.31. Just a quick way to not have to do the subtraction 5 times, or 4 times, I guess. Let's arrange them in order from the smallest to the largest. So the numbers are going to be 1.21, 1.31, 1.39, 1.46, which is our goal, and 1.76. So just from looking at this, we know that it can't be 1.21 and it can't be 1.31 since they're both further away than 1.39. So now we just have to do the subtraction twice. We're looking for the closest, so we want the smaller difference. So we have 1.46 minus 1.39. The difference here is 0.07. And then we have 1.76 minus 1.46. The difference here is 0.30. This is the smallest number, which correlates with 1.39 is B. So answer B, education, has the closest ratio, and that is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.